So we continue linear algebra, and now we see solutions of linear system. Okay. We know that the row reduction algorithm leads directly to an explicit description of the solution set of a linear system when the algorithm is applied to the augmented matrix of system. See an example. We have this augmented matrix system following. Up 1 0 -5 1. Okay. Okay. 0 1 1 4, and we just have 0 0 0 and 0. Ok. Alors, the augmented matrix of a linear system has been changed into the equivalent reduce echelon form. Okay. Alors, we can see there are two pivots here in the first column, which is the first pivot column, has another pivot, is the one here, which is the second pivot column. Okay, has two pivot columns. You see, we can say that there are three variables in the because why there are three variables? Because the augmented matrix has 4 columns. Okay, and the associated system of equation is x1 minus 5 x3 equals 1, x2 plus x3 equals 4, and 0 equals 0. Okay. Hop, hop, hop. Stack.
Harry Kane qui est tout de suite allé voir Bellingham, qui parle régulièrement à ses coéquipiers, à Gordon aussi notamment, je le vois, hein, il est en patron, on l'observe régulièrement, il rassemble ses coéquipiers, au-delà des buts, on voit son influence, elle est immense, et que c'est le relais naturel.
We have the associated system. We will say that the variables x1 and x2, in which we find the pivot column corresponding to the pivot column in the matrix are called basic variables. Okay, and the other variable x3 is called a free variable. Voilà.